Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.16 Button cluster GoTo type 4. Button labels that begin with GoTo are designed to move around the same sheet. GoTo buttons are macros that use range name destinations. Occasionally, cell address destinations are used. This differs from button labels that start with SLCT. The select button macros move to a different sheet. GoTo buttons move the cursor between tables on the cost workup sheet, tables on the project cost summary sheet. The GoTo button type is used in the administrative sheet indices. The index on this instruction sheet is an example. To go to the index, click the GoTo Index button. To return, click the GoTo B000 Instruction Example button. To view all the GoTo macros, enter key sequence alternate WMV and scroll down to the GoTo listings. This example 1.1.16 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.17.